You're not going anywhere.
We're recording.
I realize that. Thank you, Gregory, for pointing out how to work the machine. Not right now. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, today we're going to just do a quick review on multiplication. I know you are writing all this stuff in your notes, which is awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to talk about several different ways to multiply so that you can see different examples. We're going to start with the problem 275 times 32. 275 times 32. We're going to look at three ways to multiply. That is this many. That is this many. The first way we're going to multiply is we're going to use just the standard way to multiply, which we're going to write it vertically. And then I'll talk through the steps as we go through it. First step is we take our ones place, which our 2 is, and our second factor, our bottom factor. We have 5 multiplied by 2. 5 times 2 is what, Janelle? 10. So I have 10 ones, which means I put my 0 there because 10 ones equals 10. Now I multiply 2 times 7, Janelle.
14.
Plus 1,
15.
I have 5 tens, so that's 150, so that's 110, or 105 tens. And Janelle, 2 times 2 is
4.
plus
5.
Okay? So, 275 times 2 is 550. What we just did is we multiplied 275 by our ones place. Justin. I haven't even asked a question. You're answering it? You guys are amazing. You guys are psychotic. I mean, psychic. It's crazy. You guys are psychic.
I stand the consistent and do a good job.
We took our 2. 2 times 5 was 10.
But 3 times 2 is 6.
I haven't done a 3 yet. I've only multiplied by 2. Now, since I am moving to my tens place, my first number needs to be in my tens place. That is why this 0 has to be here.
Can I be a cookie?
No. Because it's a 0 in the ones place. You never have a cookie in the ones place.
But it's fun that way.
I know, but we're not here about fun. We're here about knowing.
That's how last year taught us.
We're here about knowing. Ashley, 3 times 5 is? 15. So I have 5 tens. 3 times 7 is?
21.
Plus 1? 22. And 3 times 2 is? Plus 2 is? 8. And we add those, so what we just did is 275 times 30. Because we've already done our ones place, so now we're doing 3 tens, which equals 30. So 275 times 30, we know, equals 8,250. So this is our second way we can multiply. This is our second way we can multiply. You can take each place value and just do it one at a time on the side. We started with our ones place, which was 2. So I multiplied 275 times 2. And that's all I did to get this number right here. 275 times 2. Now I'm in my tens place. My tens place has 3 tens. We've already multiplied by the 2 ones. So 3 tens equals 30. 3 tens equals 30. We add those two together. 8, So if I did all our math right and Janelle and Ashley did all our math right, we should get 8,800. That is 2 of our ways to multiply. Justin. I don't care. 8,800. That's why I said it out loud. And the third way I can show you, and some people use, I've seen on papers, is the lattice method. And that's fine. If you don't like it, don't do it. You take one factor and you put it along the top. So we have 275. We take our second factor and we put it along the right-hand side. Now, just like multiplication tables, we want them each to have their own box, their own little square to put it in, rectangle, whatever you want to say it is. But since we're going to have some 2-digit numbers, I need to divide these so I can put my tens above my diagonal line and my ones placed below the diagonal line. If you don't like this, don't use it. But some people do. I just want to review it. What did it mean? So don't look at it if you don't like it. I'm just reviewing. Some people might like it. Then I'm going to take one of my numbers and go across. 2 times 5, Justin. 2 times 7, Justin. 14. 2 times 2, Justin. 4. 3 times 5. Ha! Somebody made a mistake. We're all perfect. 3 times 5, Justin. 3 times 7, Justin. 3 times 2, Justin. 6. And then we just add each diagonal up. This diagonal adds to 0 plus nothing else.
1.
0 plus nothing else. 0. 5 plus 1 plus 4.
6.
10. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. So I put my 0 here, and I carry the 1 there. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4.
1 plus 1 plus 8.
8. 8.
2 plus 0 is 2.
I did this 6 in the wrong place. Sorry.
It's okay. That's
0, 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Then don't use it. If you don't like it, don't use it. Some people like it, so I'm just showing them.
0 plus nothing is 0.
And so we get the same answer, 8,800. So you can use any of those 3 ways you want. I mean, I use this because it's easier for me. But you can break it up. 275 times 2, because we have 2 in the ones place. So you're multiplying by 2 ones. 275 by 30, because you have 3 in the tens place. 3 tens equals 30. So that's just a quick review of some multiplication strategies. The largest you'll have to do here in the grade of 5. Now I might show you larger ones, but that you're required to know is 3-digit by 2-digit. So if you get a problem, like if you were working the warm-up problem we did today, that's a 3-digit by 3-digit. That's more than you're required to know for 5th grade. And I would probably tell you that this is something that we're doing and I want you to just learn it. But you're not going to be required. It's just preparing you for 6th grade. Boom, shakalaka. Peace out. God bless. Love ya. Do something kind.